Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? I hope you're having a great, wonderful day today. Welcome back to my channel. If you're here for the first time, go ahead and click the subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos, okay? Alright guys, I'm back with Postcard Tycoon. Let me first say, I became an affiliate for Postcard Tycoon back in 2016, okay? So what is this? This will be 5 years now that I've been an affiliate for this program, okay? So I'm definitely excited about continuing to promote it, okay? It's a postcard program. And all you need to do is mail your postcards to the list of mailing list companies that I recommend for you. And you want to be consistent, of course, and it's going to take patience. But if you do that consistently, you can make this work, okay? The Postcard Tycoon pays $300 commissions, okay? There's no tiers or any of that. Every time someone buys the Postcard Tycoon from you, your link, because your link is going to be on your card, you're paid $300 directly from them, not the company. The person that joins, you have to get a money order in your name of $300, and they have to get another money order in $198 in the company's name, okay? So, $498 to get in this program. It comes with a website. It also comes with 250 postcards. It comes with 250 leads to get you started. Now, what I love about this particular program, after every 5th sale, okay, it's on the website as well. After every 5th sale, the company is going to send you 500 leads, 500 postcards, and 500 stamps. The 5 for life, that's a bonus that they're giving out. Okay, and that's to infinity. Over and over and over after every 5th sale, they're going to do that. Okay, now when you join me as a bonus, I'm going to throw in 400 extra leads. I'm going to mail them to you. Okay, once you get started with me. So here it is, the 5 for life. Let me show you what that postcard looks like. Here it is. Now what I've done on the other side is I added my picture to it. Okay, if you join me and you want that on there, let me know. I'll put your picture on it. It's up to you. It's optional. Alright, so that's the Tycoon. It comes with this website that I'm looking at right now and that you're looking at. Right here it tells you what's included. You're going to get a welcome kit. Okay, you're going to get that first. And then your cards will follow. Your starter kit. Okay, right here. This is a 4x6 card. Okay. So, as you can see, look at the gloss on here. I actually get my cards printed at a different place than the one that they include in the kit. So when you join me, I'm going to email you the company that I use to get these printed. Okay. So if you're looking for simplicity, where you don't have to really do any online marketing, you can, I'm saying, but you don't have to. This will be a great program for you because these $300 commissions is nothing to sneeze at. Okay, so I'm just thumbing through this. You can take a look at this at your leisure. You will get a website with it. Okay, so as you can see here, here's the website. Everybody gets their own link. So this is 4x6, so it's only going to cost you 35 cents per stamp. So 35 bucks will get you one roll of 100 postcard stamps. Okay, they even have a FAQ section on this page. Okay, so when you go check mine out, as you can see down here at the bottom, the order form, you're going to need to fill this out. It has me here and the company here. So if you go down further, it states right here, click here for a printable Postcard Tycoon order form. Okay, so we want to click here. Okay, and this is what you're going to print out. Fill this out, make sure it's legible, because they're going to need your address so that they can mail you your welcome kit and your postcards. And this is where they're going to be mailing your payments, forwarding your money orders to you. So you want to make sure all this stuff is legible. Okay, so I'm going to put the link below. Matter of fact, you can go there, www.thepostcarddiva.com. That is my page. I have a domain mask to mine, so mine is a little different. Okay, but that is the site. Go check it out. Go get started. So you want to get those 2 money orders. I recommend you mail them priority. That way you can get a tracking number and you'll know when they arrive at WTM's office. And once they get it, then they will just forward me my commissions, the $300 money order. All right. And that's pretty it, guys. It's pretty simple. So just know you want to be consistent with your mailings. You want to mail as often as possible, and you need to know that it takes patience with the mail. Think about it. You get mail in your mail, and sometimes you put it to the side, you look at it, you go back, you check it out, you save it for a month or two, and then a lot of times you just join. But be consistent. Don't worry about the results. You just need to do the work, and the results will come. Okay. With that being said, I did receive another commission, and I do not do a video every time I receive a commission, but here is one that has come in. Okay, but before we do that, I want to show you how you can also promote the Tycoon, an additional marketing strategy that you can do. You want to mail your cards, definitely, but let me show you a software that you can use to also help you promote it. Check this out. Okay, the software, this software is called Textbot. Okay, this Textbot chat can help you with the Tycoon. And you're saying, well, how is that so? Let me show you. First of all, it comes with a virtual assistant. We all have a virtual assistant with Ava, and as it states here, she holds real-time, human-like text message conversations with everyone you connect her with. So since the Tycoon has a website, you have a link. You can take that link and tie it into Textbot. And what Textbot does, what Ava does, when people call your phone number, okay, Ava is going to send a text message and make sure she gets them to look at that opportunity. So not only is she going to get them to look at your Textbot link, but she's also going to communicate with them to take a look at the additional link you put in there, which would be the Tycoon. Okay, so it's a great way. I call it a 2-for-1. Okay, and this goes for anybody with any business. I'm just speaking of the Tycoon right now because I have quite a bit of people that join me in Textbot and the Tycoon. So I'm kind of just showing you a way that you can use Textbot to promote the Tycoon. Okay, I'm gonna take you over there so I can show you where you put that Tycoon link. Okay, let me show you. Okay, when you're in your Textbot, you go over here to the right, you click there, you click my profile, okay, and you click primary business. Okay, when you click primary business right here, it will be a box that says URL of your primary business. Just copy paste your Tycoon link right in there. So when Ava is chatting with your prospects, Ava is going to have them take a look at this link as well. So she's going to be promoting Textbot and your Tycoon link. And this goes for Supreme Profit System too. Any of the postcard programs that has a link, which is Supreme Profit and the Tycoon, they come with websites. Okay, the Cash Cow and Profit Max Formula do not come with a website. Okay, so this is another great way just to plug the Tycoon in here. And some of you are mailing the postcards, so that's great too. You have the postcards, or you're sending people to listen to share your number. Okay, either way, Ava is going to display this link that you put here. Within that chatting conversation, it will be displayed. Okay, so it's a great way to get it out there. Okay. Okay. So Ava, not Ava, I'm sorry, your Textbot system is going to be $150, guys, plus $10. The $10 is for your credits. Okay, so you're looking at $160. You can get Textbot if you don't have it, and you can plug your Tycoon, okay, link in there and let Ava help you promote the Tycoon, in addition to you still mailing your postcards. But this is a one-time payment, okay? Either program that you join is still a one-time. There's no recurring costs. So the Tycoon would be $4.98 to get in, and then Ava would be $160 to get started, okay? So this is an additional marketing method that you can use to help you promote the Tycoon, okay? Okay, guys, so just another marketing strategy. I always try different marketing strategies and different methods, okay? So that's another one I just want to plug in for you guys to check out. Now, with that being said, let's go ahead and open this up. Okay, got my handy dandies. All right. So we will open this one. See what we got. Okay. This is, all right. Welcome aboard, Natalie. By the way, Natalie is rocking and rolling. She also joined the Cash Cow and Textbot. So she is ready for 2021. I'm covering up the information at the bottom down here. On the money order. Okay, hang on a second. Okay. Here you go, guys. Another 300 for the Tycoon. Okay. And right here, it tells me who it's from as well. I'm gonna cover up this down here. So right here, he tells me who it's from. Right here. Got Natalie's name right there. Okay, and it says the Tycoon. Okay, that's how you know what program it is. All right, so another sale for the Tycoon. Okay, as I stated, I've been an affiliate for this program since 2016. Okay, $300. All right, so get started with me in the Tycoon if you're interested in making those $300 commissions and getting 250 leads up front, 250 postcards, and a website. Okay. And then I'm going to throw in 400 leads. I'm going to mail you 400 leads personally. Okay. So that's a great way to get started, guys. So again, direct mail does work. You have to be consistent. It takes patience. That's with any business. Patience, consistency. Okay. And you got to have the right mindset. You got to believe in what you're doing. You got to know that this is going to work, because it is. But if you start doubting yourself, you know, you'll start believing that. So you've got to believe in what you're doing. But we've shown you, there's plenty of people out here have showed you that this stuff works. Okay. So you can do it as well, but be consistent. All right. So with that being said, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell. Okay. So you can be notified when I upload new videos. Until next time, I will see you guys on the next video. Be safe out there. Have a blessed day.